Hi, welcome to Tarket. My name is David Goff. Today I'm going to show you the procedure for restoring minor scuffs and scratches in our Tarket IQ flooring solutions. Tarket IQ is the only product in the industry that this can be done to. There's a couple of things you're going to need. You need a bucket of clean water. You're going to need these two high pro 3M diamond pads here, the purple and the sienna. We'll need a white 3M 4100 polishing pad. We need a 175 to 350 RPM swing machine, a 1500 RPM high-speed buffer, and a standard wet vac for sucking up any water that we create doing this process. This is a process. It is a procedure. It does take time. We are going to do each step with these three different pads, but you're going to be amazed at the process once it's all done. So we're going to get this set up and we'll show you how it works. So we did our deep cleaning and we find some minor scuffs or scratches in our floor. We can see the dirt's still in there. It didn't quite come out. This restorative procedure is going to get those scratches out, get that dirt out of there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to damp mop some water on the floor, just clean water, and then I'm going to attach this Sienna diamond pad, the 3M diamond pad, to my low-speed buffing machine here. And I'm going to buff or scrub this area of the floor 10 times. After that, I'm going to switch to the purple pad and I'm going to do the same process. After each scrubbing, I'm going to wet the floor. So wet the floor, scrub it, wet the floor, scrub it 10 times with each pad. Once that's done, I'm going to hit it with the high-speed buffer and the white pad, and those scratches or scuff marks are going to be gone. So first thing I'm going to do is wet the floor a little bit. Now remember, you got to do this to the whole space. I'm just going to do it to these scratches to show you that it works. Because again, the Tarket IQ product is the only product in the industry that you can do this to. If you don't do it to the whole floor, you're going to see a gloss level difference. So I'm going to start with the Sienna pad. Okay, so that's one time. I just ran the pad over it. So what I would do now is we'll get that off the floor, we'll damp mop it, rinse it basically. That'll wet it again, and then I'll run this pad again. And again, I'm gonna do that 10 times. So we'll take that next step. So that's my 10th pass with the Sienna pad. I'm going to switch over to the purple one now. We're going to do the same thing 10 more times. So that's 10 times with the purple pad. We're going to let that dry. We'll rinse that off real quick first. Then we'll let it dry. And then we're going to bring in the high speed and hit it with the white pad. So you can't see it in the video, but the floor is kind of dull here where we scrubbed it with those diamond pads. The scratches are gone. The floor looks great, but it is a little dull. So I'm going to hit it with the high speed and the white pad, and that's going to bring the luster back. And we're all set. So there you have it. We've restored the luster, the scratches are gone. Now remember, this is for repairing a damaged floor from scratches or scuffs that aren't removed using our normal maintenance procedures. Thanks for watching and have a great day.